Hey everybody, happy Thursday. You know, all of us know we do a lot to celebrate our military.
From our promotions for our military and their families to recently being named the #1 military-friendly company for the 3rd year in a row.
It shows that we always have military on our mind.
And today's stories reiterate our commitment to those who serve.
Our 5G Ultra Wideband is now live at Newport News Shipbuilding, marking the nation's first 5G shipyard. Newport News builds all of the aircraft carriers for the U.S. Navy, and our 5G network will allow them to drive manufacturing efficiencies and help with real-time analytics.
5G brings to shipbuilding another layer of technology enhancements. 5G enables manufacturers just to run their business much more smoothly than what they have been able to do in the past.
And one of the greatest gifts you can receive while serving overseas is a care package from home.
That's right, just this past weekend, over 100 V-teamers and their families gathered to sort donated goods and created care packages to ship to deployed service members abroad.
This was all part of a larger effort by call centers, garage work centers, and central offices across Delaware, New Jersey, New York, and Pennsylvania participating in the American Red Cross Armed Forces Adopt a Unit campaign.
It's an event we've been a part of for, I think, 7 years now. This is a testament to Verizon 2.0 and helping society. When Verizon comes together with an organization like the American Red Cross, it brings people together.
Check out the full story on the web.
And stay tuned for more stories this holiday season on how we honor those who serve.
Until next time, you're up to speed.